Hey, welcome to Happiness Bar. My goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. And today, we are making a beautiful little tiki cocktail. It is made with dark Jamaican rum, Campari, pineapple juice, lime juice, Demerara syrup. It's shaken up, it's double strained. It's served on the rocks, and we're gonna garnish that with a little edible flower and some candied pineapple. This cocktail is called the Jungle Bird. All right, now the Jungle Bird was created in the 70s by Jeffrey Ong. It was created in the Avery Bar of the Kuala Lumpur Hilton. It was originally served in like a bird-shaped vessel, hence Jungle Bird, and it's this beautiful reddish color cocktail. Really is fantastic. I think it'll be a beautiful cocktail to drink here in the spring, and hey, maybe also in the summertime as well. So we only got a little bit of prep to do for this cocktail. All we gotta do is make some Demerara syrup, and we gotta cut and juice some lime. So let's just jump right into that prep work. Starting with our Demerara syrup, let's zero out that scale, weigh out 250 grams of Demerara sugar. It's all my sugar. All right, add that to the pot. And we're also gonna weigh out 250 grams of water. Add that to the pot. Go ahead and crank this burner onto a medium-high heat. Grab your bar spoon and let's give it a nice stir. All right, and what we wanna do is we wanna bring this syrup up to a simmer, allow all that sugar to dissolve, and we'll be ready to go. While I'm waiting on that to cook, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some blue tape and label and date. All right, guys, this syrup is coming up to a simmer. All that sugar is about dissolved. I'm gonna give it one final stir here. All right, let's go ahead and kick that off the heat. Let's pour it up into our storage container. Grab our lid and our Demerara syrup. The shelf life is up to a month refrigerated. All right, next bit of prep. We have got to cut and juice our limes. So let's cut them up. Let's juice them up. And let's double strain. Once, twice. Grab a lid. Label and date. Lime juice, guys, good for 2 days. Start out on the 3rd day. All right, that's it for the prep work. Let's go ahead and jump into making the Jungle Bird. So this is a shaken cocktail. First thing we're gonna need is our shaker tin. And we're gonna need our jigger. We're also gonna need our glassware. Working cheapest to the most expensive ingredients, we're gonna go with a 1/2 ounce of lime juice and a 1/2 ounce of Demerara syrup, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, 3/4 ounce Campari, and 1.5 ounces of that Hamilton Dark Jamaican Rum. Go ahead and grab a large ice cube for our glassware. Now, guys, if you want to make that super clear, crystal clear, big ice, man, check out my clear ice video in my Bar Essentials playlist. This is not that. I just made a quick ice cube here. I got to make some clear ice eventually. I've just been being lazy. But if you want to learn to make that clear ice, check out the Bar Essentials playlist, check out the crystal clear ice, and I'll try to drop a link in the description. All right, let's go ahead and ice our shaker tin as well. Ice that shaker tin all the way to the top, seal her up, shake it for 12 seconds. Grab both your Hawthorne and your basket strainer. Let's double strain. I'm just gonna grab some beautiful edible flowers here. Grab one nice piece of pineapple. Why not? And just drop it right down in the drink. And there you have it, guys. The Jungle Bird. Let's taste. Oh man, that Jamaican rum comes out first thing, that's for sure. Get a little bit of that Campari too. Whoa. Yeah, that is a tiki cocktail, man. Holy fuck. I've not had one of these in a while, and I don't drink enough of them, man. That is a delicious tiki cocktail. You get this beautiful, like, bitter note from the Campari, a little bit of sweetness and acid from that pineapple and the lime juice. The Demerara just sweetens it up just enough. This is a wonderful cocktail. Perfect balance of just bitter, sweet, acid, boozy, and the edible flowers are such a great touch. You just get this nice little floral note on the nose every sip you take as you inhale. That is so crushable, man. as the months just start to warm up and everything gets beautiful. Treat yourself with this beautiful, beautiful cocktail, man. The Jungle Bird. There it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Maybe you made it along with me. Maybe you wrote it down, save for a later date, but either way, let me know how you're liking everything. And as always, guys, become a regular somewhere. Become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. Become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing. Hit that bell if you want notifications, because we got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern. Get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.